Hi guys, welcome to the channel of love. I was just going to say it's fireworks night, so you may hear the fireworks going off in the background. The guys have just gone to get us some fireworks as we are having a bonfire gathering. I'm not going to say it's a party, but we have people coming, so we have a well, Jamie has prepared a bonfire. All the wood is ready. So, whilst they're gone to get some fireworks, I thought we'll have a reading. Okay, The Witch's Tavern. Let's see what cards are wanting to show themselves today. Okay. Show me your cards. You know when you're kind of keeping your cards close to your chest. Show me your cards. I want to see what cards you've got. You got the Queen of Pentacles. Very nice energy. She's a very nice queen to have close to your chest. Okay, she is like the Divine Mother energy. A good all-rounder. Would you like to read? Would you like me to read about the Queen of Pentacles? What are you keeping close to your chest? Oh my goodness, we've got these cards as well. Okay, my glasses please. Let's have some coffee. I can see in the background that it says in love. Got the love bug. Poorly baby's got the love bug. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. But keeping it close to their chest. They have the love bug. Queen of Pentacles, please. Let's have a look at what this card means. Oh look, the King's there, look. I feel like he's the one who's got the love bug. His legacy. He's looking at his legacy. The beautiful and exotic Queen of Pentacles sits on her floral throne. A bower of climbing red roses growing above her. She has dark eyes and green ribbons are worked into the braids of her raven-coloured hair. Her gown is in shades of earthly green. She wears a crown made of golden leaves and set with square-cut emeralds. On the Queen's forehead, she wears a red bindi. This is a symbol of the mystical third eye and of wisdom. In particular, the red colour of the gems in her bindi design represent honour, love and prosperity. Maybe jump. As befits royalty, around her throat is a heavy, rich necklace of square-cut emeralds. The emerald is an enchanting stone that gifts its wearer with bliss and loyalty. The Queen holds a golden pentacle in her right hand, and in the crook of her left arm she holds a bouquet of white and green tulips, honeysuckle and golden wheat bound together with pale green ribbons. Behind the Queen's throne is a beautiful landscape and blue skies, while an adorable brown dog sits at her feet. The flowers the Queen holds are all linked to the element of earth. Green tulips symbolise prosperity and luck in love, honeysuckle, wealth and devoted affection, and the wheat, abundance and riches. The red roses in the bower around the queen signify beauty and love. The dog corresponds to the element of earth and is a sign of loyalty and companionship. Okay, let's pop you down. So, meanings. When the Queen of Pentacles appears in a reading, look for the ultimate Earth Mama. This card represents a mature woman who may have dark hair and eyes. She is practical and has a deep love of nature and a spiritual connection to the earth. While this queen is sensual, gorgeous, and loves beautiful things, she will work hard to get and maintain the things she cherishes. Gardening, cooking, or redecorating, she is always creating or tending to something or someone. This queen is happiest when she is nurturing others. She is a devoted wife and mother, an amusing friend, a generous hostess, and a passionate lover, all rolled into one. The Queen of Pentacles is often linked to the Empress card. If they should both turn up in a reading, motherhood is the prime focus. The Queen of Pentacles is the definite nurturer card. This card speaks of welcoming, cozy homes, happy families, beloved pets, loyal friends, fun and affection. The message of the Queen of Pentacles is to embrace your love of the beautiful things in this world. Create a beautiful and magical atmosphere for yourself and your loved ones. The key words: an earth sign woman, a homemaker in the best sense of the word, emotional fulfillment, generous hostess, loyal friend, nature lover, earth mama, devoted wife and partner, hearth and home, motherhood. The associated elements: earth and water. Earth is the suit of pentacles related natural element, while all four of the queens are associated with the emotional element of water. Okay, well, I want to have a look and see what the other two cards are, but I don't feel drawn to read their messages. It's all popping off tonight. Okay, the first card is the Nine of Wands. Look how strong she looks. Spiritually strong. She's unafraid. And the Ten of Cups. Well, she's the perfect earth mama. That's the perfect partner. Ten of Cups is the one who will protect, nurture, take care of you. Not just take care of you, but take care of everyone. Let's go to the angels and ancestors. I'm not sure what time our guests are arriving, but it's 6 o'clock on the dot as I check the clock. So, let's carry on. We'll carry on regardless. I'm using the angels and ancestors oracle cards. Spring, see your seeds grow. Spring, can you stand up there, please? Embrace the change that is on the horizon. Allow your dreams to become reality. Spring is an exciting time because it has so much potential. Animals are coming out of hibernation, flowers are pushing up through the soil, and the days are getting lighter and brighter. I feel that this is the energy of spring. It's growth. Okay. The spring card features a wild hare because in Celtic animal medicine, the hare brings intuition and rebirth. Hares are highly fertile beings, and so their medicine can bring dreams to life. You are ready to bring to life all of your ideas, inspirations, and projects. When this card appears, you are moving into a space that allows you to really grow, expand, and create in a way you've never done before. There are opportunities for abundance, including financial growth, and if you're starting something new, prepare for a major expansion in your life and soul. Guys, let's finish this reading with a message from Rumi, an invitation into the heart of the divine. Would you like to accept this grand invitation to dwell inside the heart of the divine? Okay, but that did not take long. We had a card that says what's interesting is it's card number 3, which is the number of the Empress in the tarot. So card number 3, Queen of Pentacles, Empress card. Be very spiritually strong, supported, and then here in making your wishes come true. She is your wish come true. It's like a fountain of love out there. Can you hear all the fountains going off? It's like this, yeah. Okay, 1221 was on the counter then. Okay, which is the Hangman and the World card. This is card number 3, the Dissolving Light. I died as mineral and became a plant. I died as plant and rose to animal. We heard you, Mr. Doggy. Thank you for your contribution. I died as animal and I became human. Why should I fear anything? When was I when was I ever less by dying? Dare to take my hand and become set alight with holy fire, my cherished one. Step forward with me and let us burn together. I know, coincidence? I think not, seeing as it's a bonfire night. God incidences. I'm in agreement with that one. All of the explosions. Dare to take my hand and become set alight with holy fire, my cherished one. Step forward with me, let us burn together, dissembled in the light that cannot be extinguished. This is the light that burns with such incandescent truth that no falsehood can withstand its audacious vibrancy. Come with me now to the light, and together we shall melt into truth. There is a light so intense, so powerful, that nothing other than itself, its own truth, can exist in its presence. It is the sacred seed, the star of your being, lit up from within. It is the light that never goes out. It is the light that is so powerful, it is beyond duality of light and dark cannot ever be extinguished or diminished, and quite simply, beyond all logic, just is. Certainly, no lie or deception, no boundary or defence can remain intact in its presence. The blazing divinity of this light sees through any pretense, annihilates illusions, and takes us into stark experience of divine truth. It is gentleness, and yet it cannot be overcome. It is enduring power, and yet it is tender. Though you seek the divine and even know it as love, you also know that it is fierce, wild, inexplicable, and demanding beyond all measure. It wants you completely, utterly, without condition. There will be times in your life, such as now, when there is something not worthy of you that must be released. This is a falsehood, a lie or deception of some sort that you have come to believe about yourself, your life, or perhaps even another. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun being out tonight. Okay. So this is a falsehood, a lie or deception of some sort that you have come to believe about yourself, your life, or perhaps even another. You may know what the deception is, or it may be about to be unveiled. It is not a cause for fear or concern, but for celebration. An illusion has, or soon will be released, and you shall become freer, free in a way that only truth can provide. This oracle comes to you as a sign of that which is to come, and soon. The beloved divine presence is calling to you, igniting within your deepest being, so that it may have its way with you. The divine, can we talk? We can talk. The divine wishes to live through you and into the world, reaching into the hearts of many and igniting those hearts into greater life. It is a clever and insatiable lover. It will stop at nothing until the entire human race is restored to the wild divine freedom of ecstatic divine reunion, completely and utterly ignited in love. And so the great lover, the divine, calls for you to enter into the white hot field of its passionate presence. There will be sizzle and burn. It cannot be otherwise. In the height of summer, you cast aside the layers of clothing you require in the winter. This is natural. You do not think twice about it. As you approach the radiant sun of divinity, your emotional and psychological layers are to be shed too, for they are too heavy for the heat of the great spiritual sun. What cannot stand the heavenly heat is to be cast aside swiftly by conscious choice, or shall simply burn up, dissolving in the light and melting away. What is left shall be what is true. So here is your guidance, sweet lover of the great beloved. Give it up, the smallness, the conditions, the fears and doubts, the lack of reverence for yourself and life, the belief that somehow things are not okay or aren't going to work out. That is all a paltry attempt at truth. You are coming into a truth now that is far more worthy of you, a truth with a capital T, the big truth. Love, trust, surrender. This is about a sacred shedding. This is about a sacred shedding without fear or holding back. Cast aside whatever would hold you back rather than free you to fly into your divine destiny. You are not to be the same from this moment on. That is the holy word, the word inscribed in living divine fire in your sacred heart. This oracle brings you guidance. Trust in your changing perspective and perceptions. Don't hold on to what you once believed or thought to be true. Allow yourself to be shown another version of events, another way of perceiving. Don't focus on what is not working in your current estimation of things, for that is nothing more than a passing opinion. You are being given an opportunity to see and know yourself, others, and particular life circumstances very differently. Embrace it. Don't resist what is being shown to you, for even if there are some struggles in adjusting your view at first, ultimately this change in perception will free you and bring you more deeply into the wellspring of your own inner peace and happiness. And he's rumbling 2222 on the timer. Guys, I will catch up with you soon. I'm going to go and prepare for our fireworks celebrations, bonfire celebrations, socialising celebrations. Take care. Much love. Bye for now.